an old TRS-80 Model I monitor. Probably has been on since around 1990-91. It's plugged into the wall, but no video signal yet. Just trying to get everything cleaned up. Took the back off, blew the dust out a little bit, make sure it looked okay. Caps didn't look popped or anything. Let's see what happens here. Hear a little bit of whine. You can see the flicker just a little bit in the sun. May not show up too well in the camera. So I used to have a green screen on it back in the day. A bit of Velcro held it in place. We'll see a little bit of glow on the CRT. Flyback coil. When you're back, you got to be careful of that. That's where the high voltage comes from. See, Radio Shack didn't build a lot of things themselves. They always repurposed a lot of stuff. Fisher, RCA TV. That's where the channel controls would go. Volume controls where the video in comes in from the Model I. Horizontal holds, a little coil down here, little plastic insert. Vertical hold. Doesn't smell too bad, seems to be working. If I shut it off, the trace will show a little bit on the screen. There we go. Perfect.